Why a tech-free evening matters.
Evening screen time can disrupt your natural sleep cycle, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals it's time for bed. Switching to a tech-free wind-down routine helps relax your mind and body, improving both sleep quality and your overall well-being.
Setting boundaries with devices.
Start by establishing a clear technology cutoff time, such as 1 hour before bed. Place your devices in another room or use settings like Do Not Disturb to avoid late-night notifications. Creating this separation helps your brain recognize that it's time to unwind, making it much easier to transition smoothly into restful sleep.
Calming activities to replace screen time.
Choose activities that encourage relaxation and mindfulness instead of scrolling. Reading a physical book, journaling, gentle stretching, or meditating can all become part of your routine. Even simple habits like making herbal tea or listening to soft music can help your mind and body signal that it's time to slow down and prepare for sleep.
Optimizing your sleep environment.
Create a bedroom space that invites restful slumber. Dim the lights as you approach bedtime, set a comfortable room temperature, and consider blackout curtains if outside light is a problem. Removing visible electronics from your room supports your tech-free commitment and helps your brain associate your bedroom with deep, restorative rest.
Sticking with your new routine.
Making a tech-free evening a habit takes consistency. Set realistic goals, and if you slip up, gently return to your routine. Celebrate small successes and notice how your mind and body feel after screen-free nights. Over time, these intentional choices can lead to better sleep, reduced stress, and improved overall health.